healthcare workers have been divided into public and private. I think their allocation, I think 43% private, and then the rest is the public. And then within the public, the health professionals and also other healthcare workers that are appointed and employed by the province. So the 35,000 doses that we're going to receive are those who are on PESAL, which is they are employees of the department. So 35,000. Remember, also there is also City of Cape Town that render also health services, which is our submission to the national is about 4,000. And then we have also, still in the public space, we also have the community health workers. In our case, when we do the counting, it's about 6,000, because they are not part of the PESAL, unlike in other provinces. Because you might have seen some numbers, bigger. You have to find, like, make an example, Eastern Cape, in terms of the population, it's more or less equal to ours, more or less. But you find that the numbers are very higher. So most of them, like KZN, they've included the community workers as part of the initial allocation. And then you have the care workers, which is the ones that are working with the old age homes. Also take into consideration that there are also other health professionals who might be appointed, like by Department of Education and also Social Development.